How to fix Discord invalid email. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will open now just Discord. When you open Discord, go to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things guys is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again, and then it will work with you correctly. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.